With heat under skin, not questions, not debts, not roles. My body knows the rhythm before the mind gets involved. I don't burn to be seen. I don't glow to be chosen. I burn because life moves through me, whether witnessed or not. What stays with me stays because it wants to. What leaves was never fed by my fire. I am still burning, not wild, not tame, not proving anything, not playing a game. I don't beg, I don't freeze, I don't harden, I don't bow. I am warm, I am present, I am happening now. I have loved, I have lived, I have watched things and nothing took my core. I don't carry resentment, it doesn't feed the fire anymore. I don't need distance to feel strong, I don't need chaos to feel real. My power breathes in simple motion, in hips and chest and will. I expand, I contract, nothing here is wrong. I am still burning, soft and exact, not a symbol, not a reaction. If you stand near, you'll feel it. If you don't, it still flows. Fire doesn't ask permission, fire just knows. No pain ceremony, no frozen crown. This is flesh remembering how to move power around. Not destruction, not control, just life doing what it does. I am still burning and nothing is missing here. No myth, no lack, no hunger, just breathe and heat and will. I don't need to leave, I don't need to stay. I exist and that rearranges the space anyway. I am not fire that destroys, I am fire that lives. Still burning, not wild, not tame, not proving anything, not playing a game. I don't beg, I don't freeze, I don't harden, I don't bow. I am warm, I am present, I am happening now. I've loved, I've lived, I've watched things end. Nothing took my core, I don't carry resentment, it doesn't feed the fire anymore. I don't need distance to feel strong, I don't need chaos to feel real. My power breathes in simple motion, in hips and chest and will. I am still, I contract, Soft and exact, not a symbol,